guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download WhatsApp on Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. So if you want to download WhatsApp in your Windows PC or laptop, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is just simply open up your Microsoft Store, and after opening up your Microsoft Store from here what you have to do is just simply tap on the search bar which is on the top and then search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, you should find this WhatsApp application. What you have to do is just simply open it and you will find a get option. Just simply tap on it. And after tapping on that, now you'll successfully install your WhatsApp in your device. After installing it, what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application. And after opening up your WhatsApp application from here, just have a tap on get started. And after tapping on get started, now you just have to scan the QR code of your mobile WhatsApp. So you will find a scan QR code option on your WhatsApp which is in your mobile device. So what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the menu or the three dotted icon which is on the top right. Then tap on the settings option, and after tapping on that, now you will find link device option. Just simply tap on link device and then scan this QR code. After scanning the QR code, you will successfully link your WhatsApp. So if you don't want to scan the QR code, then you can also tap on link with phone number and then enter your WhatsApp's phone number. So before entering it, just simply select your country, and after selecting your country, what you have to do is just simply enter your mobile number. After entering it, just simply tap on next. And after entering your mobile number, now you'll find this 8-digit code which is in your WhatsApp. Now what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application in your mobile device and then again tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on settings, then tap on link device and then enter the 6-digit code. And after entering it, your WhatsApp web and your WhatsApp which is in your mobile will be linked. So that's it guys, this is how to download WhatsApp on Windows PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.